Okay, so easy fun one for you today. So diagnostic day. So customer brought this in, Jeep EcoDiesel, and he got stuck in the mud and he was revving it up real hard. He kind of said it made him a little concerned, and then he noticed it was making some weird noises after shaking on the highway because it's got mud in his wheels. So we'll take a look here. Okay, so build date is 7/21, so technically you'd roll that to 22. So kind of low miles, man. I mean, not really high, so let's go ahead and start her up. Okay, you can kind of hear it's like an oscillating noise. So let's see if we notice anything out of the ordinary. Okay, so you can kind of hear it mainly right here. Okay, let me grab some tools. Okay, so we've got our just basic stethoscope. I have another mic, so I'm gonna see if I can put the mic on it for you. That way you can hear it, because we pretty much already got it nailed down to where it's coming from. Definitely coming from the alternator. Okay, so alternator, you can see the stethoscope's on it. I'm gonna put it up and see if y'all can hear it pretty well. You'll hear the reverb. So you should be able to hear that now. Okay. Okay, so hearing test, check, visual check. Let's just look. So we can see right there. Notice the oscillating sound is right on cue with it wobbling like that. So now we know. If you hear this sound and you got an EcoDiesel, this is what it is. All right, so Rubicon, EcoDiesel, alternator. Looks like the pulley just took crap. So hey, easy one, quick and easy diagnostic. If you hear the same sound, now you know what it is. And hey, feel free to like and subscribe, helps us out a ton. But with that, y'all have a great day.